father would travel to Kolkata, and I would imagine everybody's family or friends when they travel to Kolkata, and if you don't really belong to that place, the only thing that you get back from there is a tin of rasgullas. I don't know if I'm saying it right because this Bengali friend of mine is staring at me as if I've said it wrong, and I'm sure I've got it wrong because with me are hardcore Bengalis, and this is going to be a tribute to the Rasgulla.
Yeah.
Because by far there is cotton, there is puchkas, there is so many things that Kolkata is famous for, but the most famous and the most popular and the biggest favorite for everybody is the Rasgulla.
Absolutely.
So
Undoubtedly.
Undoubtedly. Before we get into the deeper conversation, how many did you pop just before this conversation?
Just about 15
15?
dozens of them. Probably I lost count, so I really don't.
Lost count of how many Rasgullas. Okay, so how do you say it?
We say it Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
Yes.
Did I say that?
Gol, yes.
Pura gol gol bana
Pura
ke.
gol gol.
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Yes.
Sahi bola na?
Yeah, absolutely.
So a lot of people say Rasgulla.
Yes, but I don't know. But Bengalis always call it Rasgulla.
And if you don't say it the Bengali way, then you're not correct.
That is not a good way of making Rasgulla.
Okay.
Then you can't taste it.
Then you can't taste it.
Can't taste
It's a
the
pure
sweetness.
taste of it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pan to show you. This is, of course, a beautiful mishti stall, sweet stall. Of course, the sweets are very famous from Kolkata, but then that is the star of the show wherever you are in Kolkata. That's tiny sized rasgullas, and if it's that tiny, I'm sure you can pop as many.
Well, I wish they were this tiny back home, but they are usually huge.
How huge?
And there's a trick. They are usually this big. And there's a trick to eating them. Squeeze them and pop them in, and keep going. You can actually keep going. That's the trick.
Don't stop.
Absolutely.
And never feel guilty because why would you?
You're squeezing the sugar out. It's fine.
Yeah. So that's why it's called also the healthier sweet as compared to anything else because there's no ghee. It is so simple. It's just 3 ingredients or 2.
Yeah, it's 3.
3.
Sugar, water, milk, and the curdle of milk. When you curdle the milk,
How
the
will
chana.
you make it? You have to use lime juice only?
Yes, you get the chana, and then you mix it with sugar. That's it. Round
And
it
that's
up.
it. 3 ingredients. So how many years have you been making rasgulla?
I've seen my mom make it when I was a child, and I've tried it many times, but it never comes out perfect. The perfect way, the soft, big.
So you can go wrong in making this.
Yes, absolutely. If we not follow all the
It's very tough to make. Rasgulla.
Really?
Yeah.
It's very easy to eat but very tough to make.
Because
So why? What is the challenging part?
challenging part is the boiling part. It need temperature, heating. It should be perfect. Otherwise, it will be hard or it will not be boiled.
Not the soft and the spongy. And
To make it, you have to make the in high temperature actually.
okay, is it your kid's favorite?
No, my kids is so little.
So he is very tiny, so he can't. But then, among the other things that Kolkata, where there is mishti doi. I mean, I'm a fan of mishti doi. But then there is, kheer kadam, and there are so many sandesh, so many other things. But then, which one is your favorite?
Rasgulla.
Why?
Because that's the best I can ever had. So, like 20 of them, it's just a minute of time. I can finish all of them.
1 minute 20.
Yes.
Okay. How many can you pop in 1 minute?
Just one.
Just one in 1 minute. She likes it slow, and she likes to really taste every little inch of milk and sugar in it. 1 minute, how many rasgullas?
Yeah, 2 at the most.
2 maybe.
Not more than that.
See, the men do justice, I imagine, to a sweet such as this
Yeah,
one.
I think the trick is that you don't have to count them. Just eat them. Eat them as many as.
while eating. Why should we count?
Why
Just
count?
enjoy it.
Yeah. And the other thing that I don't count when I'm in Kolkata is eating the puchkas. I never count. Why count? And no squeezing. Have it with the liquid. No guilt. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Puchka is like the absolute favorite. That's true.
Absolute
Always
favorite
favorite.
indeed. Now from Kolkata to here, what is it that you miss? Is the taste just the same as what you get in Kolkata?
I don't believe so. It's the Kolkata's Rasgulla is it's different. It's very soft. Yes, we are enjoying it, but the softness is which we that's already
So
important.
even if in London you get the most authentic of West Bengal and their sweets, the best one still will need you to take a flight back to Kolkata. Thank you very much, guys, for this beautiful conversation. But I'll not let you go before. Did I ask you 1 minute? How many can you pop?
15.
15 in a minute. Now high five to that. Because 15 in a minute is. She loves sweets.
Yes.
And if it is a rasgulla, why count? Like somebody said. Okay, lovely. Thank you very much indeed for this beautiful conversation. Enjoy the rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Perfect.
Perfect. All right. Write to us. What is your favorite Bengali sweet? OOE at ndtv.com is where you write to. Bye.